To graph data in Sheets, you just need to have a column first with the date, another one with the data. I'm just going to put in today's date in here. And if you click on that one, and in the bottom right hand corner is a dot, click there and you drag it down. Say I want to have 30 days. I'm going to just do that, and it's going to put all the dates in. When you're doing this for your own data, it will put in just the consecutive dates, so the weekends will still be there. So we'll have to deal a little bit with that. In the data column, you're going to put whatever data it is. For purposes here, I'm just going to put random numbers down, just so we can see what the graph looks like. So once you have your dates and your data, you're going to select those two columns. You're going to come up here to Insert, go to Chart, and it's going to create a graph for you. To add a trend line, you come over here to the chart editor and you click Customize, click on your series, go down a little ways and you'll see error bars, data labels, and click on the box for trend line. You can change the color and how opaque it is, and basically there is your data.